Unit 3, when you are traveling. Where is the nearest airport in your city? What is it like? How big is it? Is it an international airport? When was the last time you were in an airport? Where were you going? Did you ever meet someone at an airport? Number 1. Listen and discuss. What problems do air travelers have nowadays? Discuss with a partner. Now we're gonna listen to some conversations between people at the airport. Then I'm gonna ask you many questions and we will know, inshallah, a lot of new words. I want you to listen and underline the difficult words.
Globe Airlines Flight 621 to Istanbul is now boarding. Passengers, please proceed to gate C10.
What's the meaning of boarding? What's the meaning of the word passengers? And also, what's the meaning of the word proceed? Question number 1. What announcement do people hear over the loudspeaker? The flight to Istanbul is now boarding. How many people are at the airline counter? Yes, there are 3 airlines employees and 3 customers. Announcement means a loudspeaker, airline employees, customers. Listen to this conversation, then underline the difficult words.
May I see your ticket and passport, please?
Sure. How many bags are you checking?
1 suitcase, and I have 1 carry-on.
Okay, tell me, what's the meaning of the word ticket and passport? Okay, and the word checking? Suitcase, what is this man doing? Yes, he is checking in. Very nice. Okay, now look at these 2 people. Listen to their conversation.
What are you going to do in Hawaii? I'm going there to surf.
If I ask you, who has surfboard? What's he probably going to do on his trip? Yes, the boy with the orange t-shirt, he is going to go surfing. Let's go to this conversation. Listen, then I'm gonna ask you a question.
What are you doing tonight? Maybe I'll go to bed early. I'm flying to Japan tomorrow morning.
What do the 2 people in uniforms do? They are pilots. Look at this family. Listen, then I'm gonna ask you.
Goodbye. We'll miss you. Don't worry. I'll be all right.
Why are the boys' parents at the airport? They came to say goodbye to their son. Look at this picture. Listen, then I'm gonna ask you some questions.
What time is our flight leaving?
It's delayed. It's leaving at 10.
Why is the couple looking at the screen? They are checking their flight's departure time. Departure means, okay, go to the last picture, listen, then I'm gonna ask you some questions.
Take off your shoes and belt. Remove everything from your pockets. Do I have to take off my glasses? That won't be necessary.
What's the meaning of remove? Yes. Okay, let's go to some advices to travelers. Here we have a lot of advices that may help you when you are traveling. Listen, then try to understand what each one means.
Advice to travelers. Keep your belongings with you at all times to ensure their safety. Put a name tag on your suitcase to identify it. Do not agree to pack any items from strangers. Do not carry containers with liquids. Place liquids in your checked baggage. Always arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before departure to have extra time in case of long lines. Check that you have your photo identification, passport is required for international travel, ticket and boarding pass with you to avoid difficulties. Check with your travel agent about visas and vaccinations for the countries you are visiting. Carry a major credit card.
Okay, now, can you tell me some advices to travelers? Yes? Quick check. Now we have extra questions about what we have read before. Answer these questions. Question number 1. How many bags is the man checking? The man is checking one suitcase. Does the man need to take off his glasses? No, he doesn't. Number 3. Why is the pilot going to bed early? Because he is flying to Japan the next morning. Number 4. Why is the young man going to Hawaii? He is going to Hawaii to surf. Number 5. Where should you put liquids when you travel? You should put liquids in your checked baggage. Number 6. What do you need to have with you before you leave for the airport? You need to have photo identification and a ticket.
Page 23. 2. Pair work. A.
What time is the couple's flight leaving?
It's leaving at 10.
Who will the parents miss? They'll miss their son.
B.
When are you going to leave on your trip? I'm leaving for Paris tomorrow. Where will you stay? I'll stay with friends.